Hi guys, and welcome to another video. My name is Lori. I first want to say welcome to all of you new subscribers. I greatly appreciate you jumping on board with this crazy I'm crazy, I am, and I do have quite a few alter egos. A few of them will make appearances, and it's me, so this isn't a show of Sybil. But enjoy. And I really do hope that you like my content enough to hit that subscribe button down below, as well as hitting that like button as you get through this video and on to the end. So without further ado, let's grab another box and get to unboxing. We're doing the BOXYCHARMs. This one is mine. This is for Lady Lori. This is the premium for January 2022. What is BOXYCHARM? It's a beauty box subscription. Comes every month. This is the premium because BOXYCHARM does have 3 base, premium, and BOXYLUXE. This is the middle one. It used to be $35 a month. The price went up, I believe, in November, December, so it is now $39.99 a month. But you know the strange thing is that I got 5 items, and it used to be like 6 and 7. So, you know, and I do understand with everything that's going on with the pandemic and stuff like that. So I get it. It's hard for them to get the products from where they are being shipped from, especially if they're overseas, and then on to us. So they're kind of limited as to what they can do, which is why their packing went to hell. All right. In the box, you're going to get a card. In the card, it's going to have, well, on this card specifically on the back, it has a list of the items that are inside your box. And it does have a brief description as well as the price, the retail price. On that bottom right-hand corner, it will let you know what your variation number is. Mine is 201. Again, this is my box for Lady Lori. And my total, I'll give that to you in the end. All right. Let's get going on this. This is actually really cool. The theme for this one here is called Better Beauty, and it is different than the regular BOXYCHARM. The base box, where did those cards go? They might be back in the box, but that one I think was Refresh. If you watch Sassy, I let her open the 2 base boxes. Our first item is by Aether Beauty. We're not going to open this one up, but I will open it up because even though it's a duplicate and I showed it to you, it was in Sassy's box. It's the Beauty or the BOXYCHARM over 50 profile. I gave it to Sass and just let her have it. Let her have some fun. She definitely does choose different items than the BOXYCHARM over 50, which was still me, but you know what I mean? Okay, so this one's different. I'm not worried about this. It's the same. It's the same eyeshadow palette. We got a different card in this one, and it says, tenacious is the lioness in the face of oppression, unfaltering in conviction and clout. So there's the card. And then on the back, got the line. And I am a Leo. Born in August. So these are pretty cool cards. Am I going to keep one of these palettes? No. Why would I? I don't need to. Anytime you guys see when I get duplicates of something, you guys are crossing your fingers going, she's going to do a giveaway. Yes, I will. But it goes in a little stash bucket. I have to get rid of the stuff that I know I've had for a while because I don't want things to expire, and I have a buttload of skincare. All right, now this is a new one that's not this is not in that one here. This one I did choose. This is the bareminerals Mineral Veil. This is a loose setting powder for $27. By the way, I did tell you in the other one that the Aether Beauty, that is a new launch for Boxy. This is kind of pinky. It is. It's got a lot of pink in it. Don't let colored powders scare you with regards to loose setting powders. Make sure they're finely milled You definitely want those that almost like disintegrate when you touch them, because they do less creasing. They don't settle in the fine lines if you have mature skin. It's just my little 2 cents of advice to you. All right, 27 bucks for the Bare Minerals. Next on the list we have by Wishful. I'm not going to open this one up because we already went through this one. This video will come second, so the first video you already saw is Sassy's box, and so I always do the duplicate second so that you guys are not going, huh, what, wait. Unless you watch this one first, then I'm going to say go watch the other one a couple of days ago. This is the Wishful Clean Genie. This one comes in at $35. This is the cleansing butter. Again, see, this is the box I should have opened. I think all of these boxes here were like, you know, they were just, did I show you the inside of that other one? Look at that. It's like butter. Because it melts away the makeup and everything. And then by LUXE, same thing. This is the Secure Skin Gripping Serum Primer. Don't have to worry about this one here. This comes in at $20. Another duplicate. Again, if you're new here, a couple days ago, there was a video that released. I showed you all of the products. All right, next is by Juice Beauty, duplicate. This one here is the Bamboo Pore Refining Mask. And what price do we have on this one? 30, is it 35? $36. This one had that bamboo charcoal typey. I'm telling you, Sassy's gonna have a blast painting her face. I can see it now. It's gonna be a mess all over. Then the last one is Persona Cosmetics. This is the lip liner, and I really do think that it is, you know, I guess I can always give it away. You guys are going to see it here. We're just going to open this one. I almost want somebody to open it for me. You know what I mean? Because it doesn't say the color here. Lip liner 90210. Look at, that's the color. Seriously, look right there. I'll zoom in. Tell me 90210. I'll bet you it's this color right here. It's the color of that dot. It is. It has to be. 90210. Yes, it is. It's like that ruby red burgundy grape. Anyhow, that one comes in at $14. That is all of the items that were inside the Lady Lori Premium Box from BOXYCHARM for January. What was my total? Sass did not like this. Mine came in at $180. How much was hers? How much was hers? Did I beat her or did she beat me? I beat her. She got $175. I got $180 worth of product. So if you tally up, if you add all of the products retail values up, that's where you get. How much was this box worth? Well, right up here. Okay, you guys, I want to thank you very much for sitting down with me for just a little bit. Again, welcome to all of you new subscribers that have jumped on this crazy train and are really, I'm just having a blast getting to know a lot of you guys who are leaving comments down below. So if you're not someone that's used to leaving comments, I get it, I understand, but don't forget to leave that thumbs up. When you don't, it's not good. It's not good. And this one here, that's for losers. We don't touch that button. Leave it alone. Okay. But I just wanted to say welcome, you guys. And if you're new and haven't subscribed, please do. It's free. It doesn't cost you a dime. And if you don't like being bugged, I would prefer you put your notifications on, because it does let you know when I upload a new video. But if you don't like being bugged, turn it off. Don't unsubscribe to people, at least not to me. Take care, you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. I know, what's this? Spirit fingers. See ya.